It is 4:45 p.m. and we're going to go back to Disneyland. Isn't that great? You see this camera, don't you? Oh, looks like we're going to go. Okay, so we're going to go back to Hong Kong Disneyland. It's going to be the best day ever.
Going down.
So we are going on the elevator and we're going to go out and go to Hong Kong. I mean, we're already in Hong Kong, but we're going to go to Hong Kong Disneyland. Oh my god, it's flickering. I don't know why there's flickering lights. Yeah, no, I can't actually see it in real life. The camera is seeing it.
So we're waiting for the hotel shuttle.
Yay!
Alam mo ang advantage, nakapahinga ako, nakatulog ako, tapos nakapag-shower kaming tatlo. Hindi lang nagpalit ng damit si
You
Amy.
like my ears?
Alright, so pag nandito kayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland, i-download nyo itong Disneyland app. Okay, pag punta nyo ng Disneyland app, makikita nyo papakita nila yung mga attractions at saka kung ilang minutes yung wait time. Parang dito, no? Sabi rito, sa World of Frozen, pwede naman i-zoom-zoom to eh. Teka, nahirapan ako because I'm talking. Ayan, zinoom ko Si World of Frozen, yung sleigh ride, 35 minutes wait. Yung, yung isang ride, 50 minutes wait. Tapos yung It's a Small World, 10 minutes. Parang map na rin to, 'di ba? Kung naka-on yung location mo, it works like Google Maps. Si Mystic Point, 15 minutes wait. Tapos yung River Cruise, 20 minutes wait. And then, ano to? Ayan. Yung Tomorrowland, yung mga rides doon, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. And it's only 5 p.m. Magfa-5 pa lang.
You like my outfit?
Yeah, so naka-frozen shirt siya, naka-frozen shorts. Naka-sale yan sa SM, 50% off. Nakalimutan namin isuot kanina. So, buti na lang nakakabalik sa hotel. So, she was able to wear it now. Hindi kami makasakay ng bus kasi naiwan ni Amy yung isang battery pack. Miscommunication. Ako kasi gumagamit ng battery na yon. Pero simulat sa pool pa lang, she's in charge of charging it and bringing it. So, okay lang naman. There's another bus coming. We have plenty of time. Ganda ng panahon ng ganitong oras, 5:25. Wala nang kaaraw-araw. Cloudy day pa kasi. Dahil sa mga naiwan-iwan namin, 5:25 na. May parade ng 5:30. Hindi ko alam kung aabot pa kami. Then cheese! Umabot kami sa parade. Parade. Dito na lang kami. Taking the train. We just want the front seat. Sana makakuha pa kami. Follow me. Hold my hand. Si Bri naghahanap ng seatbelt.
Stops. Gather your belongings, then step carefully from the train.
幻想世界车站就要到了，这里也是前往摩。
The train ride was nice kasi hindi na kami naglakad towards this. So kung gusto nyong dumaretso sa Fantasyland and also Frozen, then tumatakbo pa yung iba. Then mag-train kayo from the main street. Tingnan nyo ang haba na nung Dumbo, oh.
Hi, Dumbos.
O, diba? At least sasakyan na namin yan. Unfortunately, sarado yung Winnie the Pooh today. Wow, significantly mas maraming tao at this time. So, okay. I guess meron palang advantage ang... Uy, parang open yung Philharmonic ah. I don't know if being this close to the front is good or we wouldn't see a lot, but we'll see. Excited?
Yeah.
Third row from the front kami.
We're filling in all the available seats. That's right, ma'am.
That's the castle and this is the Royal Banquet Hall. Dito na lang kami kakain. Tapos saka kami magto-Tomorrowland. Ibang side kasi yun eh. Let's hope there's an air conditioner inside. Marami namang seats. Ooh, fancy.
Can they eat inside?
Yeah. Looks fancy here. Yan. So, yung Klook voucher namin, pwede gamitin dito. Ang bongga, no? Thank you. Bago ka pipila. Dito sa grill, yan. Hello, number 6.
Number 6.
Tinatanong na ko anong gusto mo, tapos sasabihin mo lang. Okay, so half chicken, roasted, baked pork chops. With drink na, using the Klook voucher code. Kay Bri na punta yung chicken, kay Avi yung baked pork chop, at saka sa akin. Sarap naman sila. Exchange daw kami. Naubos na ni Bri yung pork chop.
I could not eat a lot because we're getting
And then si AV, half pork chop na lang natitira. Ako, kawawa yung manok. It is 7:20 on a Thursday in Disneyland. Sobrang daming tao. Thursday to ha. There's the castle. We are now in Tomorrowland, in Hyperspace Mountain.
Mommy, is it scary?
No,
What did
and there's no line.
What did it?
Kawawa.
You said that was gonna be fun.
It was fun when I was slightly older than you. Probably, I think. Was I slightly older than her?
Did you like it? You didn't like it? Oh, baby. It's okay. Why didn't you like it but you like Greasy Gulch?
It's because Missy Gucci doesn't have things like that.
Oh. What about the sleigh ride?
What's sleigh ride?
The one in Frozen. It has drops also.
Yeah, but Mommy, that was scarier.
That was scarier.
And it has longer stuff. You just said it doesn't have like this.
Are you better now? I'll buy you a treat, okay?
I don't want any.
You don't want a treat? Oh, don't cry. It's okay. Are you better? Better na?
A little.
About you? Are you gonna go again?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so trivia. When Avi and I were here, we were at Hyperspace Mountain 3 times. Because it was raining, walang kapila-pila. Oh, there's a show? Oh, it's Iron Man.
That's it.
Or maybe the show has ended. Nandun si Iron Man and Spider-Man kanina. Hey Bree, do you feel better now? You're not crying anymore? Happy ka na sa ice cream mo? Itong Tomorrowland, naging Marvel and Star Wars. This used to be like Toy Story na mga aliens and Buzz Lightyear eh. Oh, naging Marvel na siya. Iron Man experience. Try natin. Alam nyo, 8:10. Wala nang pila. What do you think of the Iron Man experience?
It's better than the other ones.
How about you?
Good.
You liked it?
That's alright.
Okay, last ride. Ant-Man. Look at how much points I got. Mission successful! Mga Mary, Lumpo levels, pinuhan ko talaga si Brie.
For 20 minutes.
Oh, no more lights. It is currently 9:30 p.m. Marami pa rin tao. Pero hindi na katulad nung kanina. Mga Mare, it's currently 9:40. Bibigyan ko kayo ng tip para sa akin, kung gusto nyong manood ng Momentus na walang nakaharang sa harap nyo, dito kayo tumayo, dito kayo maghanap ng pwesto, yung may fence, tapos mga bulaklak sa harap. Kasi pag dito ka nakatayo, walang tao sa harap mo. May mga tao dun. May tao sa gilid mo, may tao sa likod mo. Pero nobody can obstruct your view. So para sa akin, mga 8 p.m. pa lang, tumayo na kayo dito. Sa harap mismo ng castle to dito, kung saan yung may mga bed of flowers, tas may fence, ito. Diyan kayo. Maganda sigurado yung view nyo, gitna pa kayo. Kasi kami, nag-rides pa kami sa Tomorrowland mga 8:40 na kami. pumunta rito. So, maganda rin yung view namin. Nakita niyo naman sa video. Pero nasa gilid kami. Wala sa gitna. Tsaka marami nakaharang sa harap. Pag dito kayo pumuesto, ayan no, walang tatayo sa harap mo. Kasi puro bulaklak to eh. 'Di ba? It's 9:50, mga mare. Ayan, after ng momentos, mag-chill-chill muna kayo. Picture-picture muna kayo sa castle. Kasi, for sure, maraming tao na nagpupunta ng bus or yung MTR, di ba? Even yung hotel shuttle, feeling ko punuan rin yun eh. So, chill-chill muna kami. Although the kids really wanna go na, gets ko naman napagod na sila kasi 8:30 pa lang, di ba? Umalis na kami ng bahay. Kahit na nagpahinga kami ng 2 hours, pagod na rin yan. Pero tingnan mo si Brio. Malikot pa rin. Sabi ni Evie, can we afford to have a chill day? Well, we're checking out of Disney Hotel tomorrow. Tapos mag-stay na kami sa Tsim Sha Tsui. Downtown na kami. Ganda, no? Maganda rin yung ganitong oras. Hindi na mainit. May mga tao pa nga sa stores, namimili pa yung iba, oh. Siguro kanina pa sila pumasok, di pa sila lumalabas hanggang ngayon. Binili na yung buong store. Charot. Ayun si Brio. Bukas pa yung waffle store dito sa Main Street. Pati popcorn, bukas pa. Is it for free? Char. Uy, in fairness bukas pa. Ganda talaga nung Duffy and Friends, no? Na-appreciate ko siya kanina nung nasa merch store kami nung Explorer's Lodge. Ang cute ng mga Lina Bell items, even yung mga Duffy merch, ang ganda, sobrang cute. Although I don't know, I haven't seen their show. Cute sila. Tingnan mo, ang ganda, ang topiary. Are those real flowers? And they're not. Alam niyo, feeling ko maganda yung ginawa namin eh. Kaysa magbayad kayo ng Premier Access ticket, okay, na mga 8,000 pesos. Ang gawin nyo, mag-early access na lang kayo. It's 6,000 per person. 'Di ba? Tapos, yung natipin yung 2,000, ipandagdag nyo sa pambayad sa hotel. Kasi yung hotel naman, ano lang naman eh, between 8 to 13 or 14,000, no, per night. Which is mahal. Pero, it makes sense kasi at least pagtapos nyo mag-Disneyland, pwede kayong bumalik ng hotel. 'Di ba? Tapos yung parang ginawa namin, mag-early access kayo, spend 4 to 5 hours, and then pahinga kayo, balik ulit kayo sa gabi. So, you could actually enjoy a lot of rides. Parang kami, ang dami naming rides na 2 beses sumakay. Tapos alam nyo, never kami nag-antay ng more than 10 minutes. In fact, puro less than 10 minutes nga yata yung mga pila na ginawa namin. Ang dami namin nasakyan. Yung sa Tomorrowland, halos lahat nasakyan namin eh. Except yung parang Orbitron ba yun or something. Walang kapila-pila. Grizzly Gulch, 2 times. Mystic Manor, once lang. But we could have done it twice. Pero hindi lang namin inulit. Ganda ng fountain sa gabi, mga mare. Oh. Sa gabi na lang kayo mag-picture. Huwag na kayo mag-picture ng tanghali or gabi. Look at this. Wala pang tao. It's currently 10 p.m. O, diba? Ayan na, yung nakikita na ako kay Donald Duck kasi mainit ulo niya. Kasi butas na yung boat niya. Kaya pala. what do you think? Parang maganda yung ginawa namin, no? Nag-early access kami. Spent 4 to 5 hours. Nag-break kami sa hotel, tapos bumalik kami. Ang dami namin nasakyan na hindi na kami nag-rides. Ay, sorry. Na hindi na kami pumila ng mahaba. Lahat ng mga premium rides nagawa namin nang hindi nagbabayad ng premier access. So, kaysa mag-premier access kayo, mag-ano na lang kayo, early access plus spend the night at a hotel sa Disneyland. Kasi mga 8 to 12,000 lang naman yun. Konti na lang idadagdag nyo, diba? It's part of the experience din yun. For the experience. So, yun ang tip ko sa inyo kapag gusto nyo ng magandang view sa Momentos, doon kayo sa gitna. Okay, kung nasaan yung mga fence tas may bulaklak sa harap, doon kayo tumayo para walang tatayo sa harap nyo. Tapos siguro mga 8 PM pa lang or maybe earlier. Huwag na kayong umalis sa spot na yun. Para nasa gitna talaga kayo. Pero kami naman kasi, we really chose to go on rides Yung sa Tomorrowland nga, walang kapila-pila. Twice pa nga nakapag Hyperspace Mountain si AV favorite niya. Yung iniakan ni Brie. Tapos nakapag Ant-Man kami, nakapag Iron Man kami nang walang pila. Ang bilis lang. Alam mo yun? So, okay. Another tip that I have is kapag kakain kayo, before 6 pa lang kumain na kayo. O kaya, before 7. Kasi kami, nung kumain kami, marami ng tao pero hindi pa naman toxic. Pero nung patapos na kaming kumain, that was around 7:30. Grabe, as in talagang punuan na may nag-aantay na sa amin habang nagtatapos kami. Yung mga ganon. So, you wanna eat earlier than dinner time. Okay. So, yun yung mga tip ko sa inyo. Ano pa bang magandang tip? Okay. Sa hapon, kunyari ginawa niyo yung ginawa namin yung nag-break sa hotel. Diba 5:30 yung parade? Yung sa parade, maikli lang naman yung parade. Huwag na kayong kumuha ng pwesto sa Main Street. Kumuha kayo ng pwesto malapit doon sa... Saan nga ba malapit yun? Sa animation studio. Alam mo yung pagpasok nyo, yung simula ng Main Street, doon na lang kayo kung saan kami pumwesto. Kasi ganun din, mas maganda nga mas wala masyadong nakaharang. Kitang-kita namin yung mga mascots. Let's see, MTR station. Kami lalakad pa kami dito. Pag nilareksyon na to, bus station yan. Kami, kakaliwa kami papunta sa mga hotel shuttle. Okay, ito yung bus station if you don't stay at the hotels here in Disneyland. Hong Kong to Hai Macau Bridge, Hong Kong Port, $6.1. Lantau Link Toll Plaza, $7.4. Okay, operating hours ng mga buses nakikita ko dito hanggang 12 midnight meron. Yung iba hanggang 10:16, 10:10, 11:10. Yeah. Ito hanggang 8:45 lang. Yung hanggang Lantau Link hanggang 12 midnight. Disney Resort Shuttle hanggang midnight to operational. So I wonder kung open yung Disneyland hanggang midnight. Ayan ang dami nakapila, sabi ko sa inyo Ito si Explorers Lodge Line. Kami yung pinakahuli. Si Brie nakapikit na. Antok na yan. Oh, you're sweet naman. You're holding Zete's hand. You love Zete? Nakapikit na siya. Ano magagamit? Mga ano to mga gummies. How's the bed, Brie?
I wanna try this.
You wanna try the beef? foundation pala. Mga Van Gogh paintings tong mga to.